In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up flow in beehiiv. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly set up a basic sign-up flow for your publication. A sign-up flow helps you control what happens right after someone subscribes, which is useful if you want to guide new subscribers to a specific page, a custom URL, or another next step in your audience journey. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your beehiiv dashboard and click on Website. This is where you'll find the settings connected to the experience your visitors and subscribers have on your site. Once you're in the website area, select Settings. This will open the configuration options related to your website, including the tools you need to manage subscriber actions and post-sign-up behavior. From there, go to the Sign-up Flow section inside Settings. This is the area where beehiiv allows you to build and manage what happens after someone signs up. If this is your first time setting one up, don't worry, the process is very straightforward. Now click Add Sign-up Flow. This creates a new flow that you can customize. Think of this as building a simple path for your new subscriber to follow after they complete the sign-up process. Next, start creating your sign-up flow by adding steps after the If Signed Up trigger. The trigger is the starting point of the automation, and it tells beehiiv when the flow should begin. In this case, it begins right after someone has successfully signed up. To continue, click Add Step. This is where you choose what should happen next. For example, you can select a step that redirects the subscriber to a page or to a URL. This is helpful if you want to send people to a welcome page, a thank you page, or any destination that makes sense for your sign-up experience. When choosing your next step, make sure the page or URL you use matches the goal of your flow. Keeping the experience clear and intentional can help create a smoother transition for new subscribers. After you've made your changes, click Save in the top right corner. This is an important final step because your flow won't be updated unless you save it. And that's it, you've successfully created a sign-up flow in beehiiv. As a quick tip, after saving, it's always a good idea to review your setup to make sure the flow leads exactly where you want it to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.